Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review of Travel Code. Travel Code is a new online platform that helps companies manage all their business trips in one spot. Think of it as a dashboard for everything travel related. It has an intuitive interface and makes booking very easy for your team. It brings together all the necessary services like hotels, train tickets, and flights. It helps the finance team track all expenses for your travel. It also helps you collect important data about your travel so you can see where you can save your money. You can also create custom travel policies right inside the system if you're a company. Finally, it actually helps you with marketing because it makes travel easier for you. Now, if you're wondering what are the pros and the cons, let's go straight to it. Some of the features. Let me tell you the features first before we go straight to the pros and the cons. Now, one of the best features is booking. The booking part is extremely easy to use. It's an all-in-one place to book. It has an all-in-one place to book everything you need. Then when it comes to the calculator, it has what they call a benefits calculator that shows you what you get back. Then we also have what they call a cost management, another feature called the cost management to give you full control over your travel expenses. It should show you real-time information on all the costs, making it easy for your finance team to track the budget and stay within your rules. Next, we have eSIM Hub. Now, this feature is new and it's a modern idea. Now, what it does is that because everyone knows that when you travel to another country, you need phone service. So eSIM Hub lets travelers get a digital SIM card right from the app. This saves you the hassle of having to actually buy a local SIM card or paying high roaming fees. So you see, that's a very nice feature. Next, we have RateGuard. Now, RateGuard helps you to save money. That's what the feature does. After you book a flight or a hotel, the system keeps an eye on the price for you. If the price drops later, you automatically rebook at a lower price for you. So the system automatically rebook at a lower price for you. It gives you back the money you saved. It does this for you for 24 hours a day. So it helps your company save a lot of money without your team having to do anything extra. Now, when it comes to pricing, before we go to pricing, I promise you the pros and the cons. So here are the pros and the cons. When it comes to pros, it has support team that's available 24/7. The enforcing policy is very straightforward. You have real-time analytics that offers spending insights. You have RateGuard that automatically helps you to save money. And lastly, you have a unified dashboard that controls everything travel related. Let's go to the cons. 1. The platform is best for business travel. So, just for business alone. Secondly, the full features require you having a paid plan. And lastly, the setup actually needs you to have an IT person. So you can't just do it your own by yourself. So let's go to pricing. We have the plan. When it comes to the plan, we have the startup plan, which is free for companies up to 50 employees. The premium plan, which costs about $100 per month, that includes services that offset subscription costs, and you benefit for about $180. And lastly, we have the pro plan that benefits you $516 and it costs you $290 per month, and it helps you save on travel expenses. So those are the important things. So if you want the eSIM, you have to go for the pro plan. Hope you found this video helpful.